Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to request admin access to a Facebook business page. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook page on your Facebook account. Now, this is already my Facebook page. You need to click on the menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now from here, you'll notice a gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen, second option. Now, you will be presented with a lot of options, but I need you to scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Once you're there, look for Page Setup. Tap on it and click on Page Access. Now here, you have an option to request an admin or to add new admin. So you just need to click on People with Task Access. There will be an option or a button there for Add New Admin. So you just need to click on Next and search for the person that you want to add access or request access. Once that's done, you'll need to toggle on the access that you want to provide to that person. And then you need to confirm Give Access. It will ask you to type in your password, so you just need to type in your password. Let me just type in my password. And after that, a request will be sent to that person, and she or he will have 31 days to accept the invitation or the request. And that's it. That's how you request admin access to a Facebook business page. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.